Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to change the video thumbnail in Canvas Studio, a useful feature that allows you to customize the preview image students see before playing your video. From your Canvas dashboard or course navigation menu, click on Studio. Find the video you want to update. On the video tile, locate and click on the three dots icon. This opens a menu where you can access several video options, including thumbnail settings. In the pop-up menu, select Replace Thumbnail. You'll be given the option to upload a file. Once you've selected your new thumbnail, it will appear in your Studio library and automatically update on all previously embedded content. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to change the video thumbnail in Canvas Studio. We hope this helps you present your video content in a more polished and engaging way. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at the links below.